That's sad. Well, you know, we were here just, what, 3 months ago? Something like that. We just come back because we thought maybe since it's the end of tourist season, we could maybe scrounge some stuff up.
That's Groove. A bolt.
Don't think I've ever seen a dock getting moved. Wonder where they're going with that.
Another piece of wire and a piece of a hook.
Well, that's a first, I think.
Can full of mud and a stuck magnet.
That.
Those are little pieces of wire.
Huh.
Swivel.
Oh. And wire? Or is that part of the swivel? Oh, that's part of
the swivel, looks like.
Oh.
Rope. Big old hook. Has a little hook. And 2 hooks.
Oh, that was really fuzzy. Huh. That's weird.
Ow.
Well, that's a mega hook there.
Yep.
Wow, that's a big old weight there.
Yep. So sometimes when you hook into the fishing line and
Yeah, because that wouldn't actually attach to your magnet.
no.
You just caught the line. That's funny.
And it is tangled.
Yeah, there you go. Now you got to get it off the
Yeah.
pole. Well, you really got that wrapped up in there good.